The hidden AI side hustle nobody is talking about. What if I told you that one of the most overlooked AI side hustles doesn't involve selling courses, becoming an influencer, or chasing the latest viral trend? Instead, it starts with solving one tiny problem that thousands of people search for every single day. Most people believe that making money online requires a revolutionary startup idea, a huge audience, or years of coding experience. That belief is exactly why they never start. The internet doesn't reward the biggest ideas, it rewards the most useful ones. Every day, millions of people search for simple answers. They look for calculators, converters, generators, planning tools, productivity helpers, budget templates, name generators, study tools, fitness calculators, retirement estimators, resume helpers, and hundreds of other small utilities. These aren't exciting businesses, they're useful businesses, useful wins. Now here's where artificial intelligence changes everything. Just a few years ago, building one of these tools required hiring developers, designers, and marketers. It could cost thousands of dollars before your website ever went live. Today, AI has completely changed that equation. You can describe what you want in plain English. AI helps generate the structure. AI helps improve the design. AI helps write content. AI helps create images. AI even helps you fix mistakes. Instead of spending months building something, you can launch in days, or sometimes even hours. That means your biggest advantage is no longer technical skill. It's choosing the right problem to solve. Here's an important shift in thinking. Don't ask yourself, what business should I build? Ask yourself, what question do people ask every day? The second question is where opportunity lives. Imagine someone searching online for, how much mortgage can I afford? How many calories do I need? What's my retirement savings target? Generate a business name. Convert PDF to JPG. Calculate shipping costs. Every one of those searches represents someone actively looking for a solution. Not entertainment, not motivation, a solution. That's incredibly valuable because search intent is one of the strongest signals on the internet. People already want the answer. Your job is simply to provide it. This is why small utility websites continue to survive year after year. They solve immediate problems, and people keep coming back. Now let's talk about monetization. Many creators think the only way to make money is selling expensive products. That's one option, but it's not the only option. A useful website can earn income from multiple sources: advertising, affiliate products, digital downloads, email subscribers, premium versions, consulting, lead generation, even partnerships with companies in your niche. The smartest creators don't rely on just one income stream. They stack them. Imagine someone uses your budgeting calculator. After receiving the result, they discover a free budgeting guide. They join your email list. Later, they purchase a premium spreadsheet. Eventually, they recommend your website to friends. One visitor can create value multiple times. That's the power of solving real problems. Now here's something most beginners get wrong. They try to build everything: a giant platform, a huge application, hundreds of features. That's usually a mistake. Start ridiculously small, build one tool, make it excellent, improve it based on feedback. Only then should you expand. Simple always scales better than complicated. Another overlooked strategy is combining your tool with educational content. Let's say you build a savings calculator. Instead of stopping there, publish articles answering common questions like, how much should I save every month? What happens if I start investing late? How do compound returns work? Those articles attract additional visitors. Your calculator keeps them engaged. Together, they create an ecosystem rather than just a website. That's exactly what search engines tend to reward. The goal isn't to trick algorithms. The goal is to genuinely help users. And that's a business model that rarely goes out of style. Now let's discuss niches. Many people think they need to compete against giant companies. You don't. In fact, smaller niches are often better. Instead of creating a generic fitness calculator, create one specifically for runners, or cyclists, or strength athletes. Instead of a general budgeting tool, create one for freelancers, students, teachers, digital nomads, parents. The more specific the audience, the easier it becomes to stand out. Specific beats general almost every time. Here's another lesson that successful builders understand. Perfection kills momentum. Your first version doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to exist. Every improvement comes after launch. Real users will tell you what matters, not your imagination. That's why successful entrepreneurs launch early, learn quickly, and improve constantly. Now imagine repeating this process. One useful tool becomes two become five become 10. Each one targets a different search problem. Each one creates another opportunity for traffic. Each one becomes another digital asset working around the clock. You're no longer building one website. You're building a portfolio. Just like investors own multiple stocks, digital entrepreneurs can own multiple useful online tools. Some will perform better than others. That's perfectly normal. One successful project can often outperform several average ones combined. The important thing is consistency. Keep solving problems, keep improving, keep learning, and most importantly, keep publishing. Because every tool you launch increases the chance that someone discovers your work tomorrow. AI doesn't replace creativity, it amplifies it. It removes many of the technical barriers that stopped people from building online businesses in the past. The opportunity isn't AI itself. The opportunity is using AI to create things people genuinely need. That's a huge difference. The internet doesn't need another copycat website chasing trends. It needs better solutions, simpler solutions, faster solutions, more helpful solutions. And that's exactly where small creators can compete. If you're waiting until you know everything, if you're willing to learn while building, you'll already be ahead of most people. Remember this simple formula. Find a problem, build a solution, help people, improve continuously, repeat. That's the hidden AI side hustle nobody is talking about. Not because it's flashy, but because it works. And the best time to build your first useful AI-powered project isn't next month, it's today. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more practical AI business ideas, online income strategies, and beginner-friendly tutorials that help you build digital assets that can grow for years to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.